back, riders. Please watch your step as you sit to your right and only to your right. Have a good night. SeaWorld is now closed.
Thrill seekers, please lift up on the comfort collar and step over the purple bar. When seated, hold the comfort collar over your head and down onto the lap harness. When that's in place, buckle the comfort collar. Your lap harness must be in the properly closed position, close to your body. Ensure your legs are between the U-bar and feet are under the shin pad. Be sure personal items do not interfere with the harness system. When the ride operator approaches, please raise your hands so they can check the harness for you. During your ride, keep your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train at all times. Hold onto your lap harness, face forward, and keep your back and head against the seat and headrest. Now, get ready for a shocking ride aboard Electric Eagle. Now, sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. Now, sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest.
Welcome back, riders. Please watch your step as you sit to your right and only to your right. Have a great night. SeaWorld is now closed.